When I was first introduced to Curt, I didn't pay attention. Finding a husband at that time was not my intention. I carelessly shook the hand that I'll now hold forever, the same hand that will accompany me on every new endeavor.
As the world changes with seasons, Curt and Kassi's lives are going to change after today because they are entering into this union of marriage. They are going to become one according to God's plan. Outside of God Almighty, He's the most important human being on this earth to you going forward. And likewise, Curt, she is to you. It'll never be the same after today. It'll be better if you put God first.
For as long as I can remember, I've prayed that I may recognize the man that God has intended for me. God placed you in my life 7 years ago ever so carefully and in His perfect timing.
Oh man, watch. Yeah. My watch is there.
Don't use that one.
Yeah. Outtakes.
I don't know what I've done with my life to deserve such a kind-hearted, loving, and good woman to stand with me here today. But I thank God each morning that He has placed you in my life. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I promise to love you with every fiber of my being until my last breath.
I can hold.
I love Groom.
It's a great day.
Best walk we'll ever have.
You betcha.
Oh, wow.
She's a butthead.
She got me a new Apple Watch and a leather wristband.
Today, my commitment to you in the presence of God and our family and friends is one I give willingly and without hesitation.
Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful weather that we have and our beautiful family and friends that have shown up in an abundance of help the last couple of days. It has been such a blessing. Thank you for allowing everything to just fall into place the way that it needs to, and we wouldn't be here without you.
I vow to trust and respect you as your own person and realize that your interests, desires, and needs are no less important than my own.
I vow to never betray you or our love. I promise to only put God above us in our lives and to raise a family with you in God's likeness and image. I will continue to do the little things and whatever else it takes to keep our spark, even on our worst days.
I vow to rally with you, pray for you, and revel in our good times. I promise to keep myself open to you, encourage your dreams, and help shoulder your challenges.
Who gives this woman to be married to this man?
I do. Thanks.
I will always be your rock in this journey of our life. I promise to come to you with an open and understanding heart and be the best reflection of you that I can be. As we join together as one today, I promise these things to you.
All I have in this world, or ever will have, I give to you. I promise to be your partner and equal in all things. And above all, I vow to place no one else above you and place you second only to God.
Do you, Curt, take Cassandra to be your wife until death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Cassandra, take Curt to be your husband until death do you part?
I do.
I now pronounce you man and wife. Curt, you may kiss your bride.
Okay. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi.
So we welcome you, Curt, to our crazy family. We think Kassi has chosen well and you fit in quite handily. We thank God for this day and for bringing us here to spend time and share hugs with loved ones we hold dear. Many dogs with spots appear to be roaming in the field, watching and waiting for their owner's fate to be sealed.
This man has been there for me through every step of my life, and I thank you for that. We've had plenty of fights, mishaps, but I love him to death, and I appreciate you. Kassi, I can't even believe that you have changed this man this much. The passion that he has shown in wanting to be a better man and a better person and a better spouse for you, I mean, it's unbelievable. I'm so proud of you guys. You have been his rock, his driving force in life, and I could tell that you have made him a better man, and I wish you guys the best.
In Kassi, I saw somebody who was just as strange as I was. If you've met her, you know that she's strong, she's brilliant, she's not very outgoing. She likes to sit at home with her dogs and her skunk and her cat. For me to find somebody who I love so much, who's just as weird as I am, was just so amazing. Christ brought her to me in the same way that he brought me to her. You know when you're gonna pick up the phone and call somebody, right? And your phone is already ringing and it's the person you were going to call. That's Kassi. Christ brought them back together as well. He had a plan. He always does. And he brought them back together in such a way that we're all here in the room celebrating them all right now.
Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened?
While onlookers witness the spoken words and a kiss, all signs they are headed for years of happily wedded bliss. So study the pictures and admire the decor, top off the sparklers and cheers and roast some s'mores.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments, all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
Curt is laid back, patient, and mild-mannered. I can't give this guy enough credit because for me, he's completely enamored. He picks up my slack, meets me well over halfway. He provides that soothing presence when life seems to be in disarray. He's my Sunday morning church buddy, my prayer warrior and confidant. He's my here, take my jacket when it's cold and lets me pick the restaurant. After 6 years of courtship with Curt, I can honestly say God has answered all of my prayers, guiding me here to this moment today. I'll reflect on our wedding day for the rest of my life, thankful and blessed to now be your wife.
All those little moments, the bites you did.